They're off in the Smart and Fancy, and it's Lady Shipman right out to the front. And Tawny's going to go with Lady Shipman early on. These two out for the lead together, and Free as a Bird is just off of them, running in third by 2.5. Knit One Per 2 is fourth. Then comes Sugar Shock and Rumble Doll. Up the backstretch, and it is Tawny in front. Javier Castellano gets Tawny to the lead, and Rod Ortiz Jr. sits second with the favorite Lady Shipman. Free as a Bird is 3 lengths off the lead after a 21-4 opening quarter mile. Knit One Per 2 fourth on the inside, and then it's Sugar Shock and Rumble Doll. Around the far turn, and Lady Shipman moves up right alongside of Tawny, and Free as a Bird tracks them in third and is moving 3 wide. At the top of the stretch, Lady Shipman and Tawny still stride for stride into the final furlong. Free as a Bird has to quicken in third. Lady Shipman takes the lead, puts away Tawny, and then comes Free as a Bird. Lady Shipman opens up. Lady Shipman by 4. This is just one fine filly. Oh, what an easy win for Lady Shipman over Free as a Bird, and it may have been Rumble Doll in a photo with Tawny for third.